In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert image into an Outlook email. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect. So adding a picture to your message is quick and stress-free. Start by opening your web browser and going to outlook.live.com. This takes you to the Outlook web experience. Once you're in the Outlook interface, make sure you're viewing mail so you can work with your inbox and compose messages. If you see other Outlook apps like Calendar, switch to Mail to continue. Next, open a new message. Look for the New Mail button, usually at the upper left corner of the page. Clicking it opens a compose window where you can draft your email. You'll see fields for the recipient, the subject, and the message body, along with a toolbar that includes your formatting controls and attachment tools. To add an image, find the attachment control in the compose window. It's typically represented by a paperclip icon and labeled Attach. Click that, and then choose Browse this computer. This tells Outlook you want to upload a file that's saved locally on your device. Your file picker will open so you can navigate to where your image is stored. Common formats like JPG, PNG, and GF work well. Select the picture you want to include and click Open. Outlook will upload the file and attach it to your message. You'll see the image listed in the Compose window once the upload completes. Depending on your recipient's email client, it may appear as an attachment or show a preview within the message. Either way, the file will be included with your email when you send it. A few helpful tips while you're here. Keep an eye on file size. Large, high-resolution images can take longer to upload and might be slow for recipients to download. If your image is huge, consider a smaller version before attaching. If you don't immediately see the attach option, expand the Compose window or click the three-dot More Options menu. Outlook may hide some icons if the window is narrow. Also, give your image a clear file name before attaching so recipients know what they're opening. That's all there is to it. You went to Outlook on the web, made sure you were in Mail, opened a new message, clicked Attach, chose Browse this computer, and selected your image. With these simple clicks, your picture is now part of your email. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sending emails that look exactly the way you want.